Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. So in today's video is I'm gonna be doing another unboxing, and these things right here are very random, just like this orange bag right here. So if you're interested what I got from Chanel as well as from Hermes, then please keep on watching. Let's start with this bag right here because I am more interested in this one right here, so save the best for last. So let's start with this one, and this is not a bag, but this is a perfume. So let's do the let me just place this right here. There you go. Ta-da! So I got two from Chanel. This is the moisturizing body lotion, and the other one is the perfume. So the perfume looks like this. So I remember, not remember, I remember as if it was a long time ago. So I just recently got rid of the pink color perfume from Chanel that I got. I exchanged it with my friend because that perfume is not really right up my alley. Every time I use it, it's just I always end up sneezing. So I'd rather get rid of it, make someone happy, than keeping it and just sitting it, collecting dust. So this is how the perfume looks. It's really pretty and very slick. Perfect for display, and I've been eyeing on this one for the longest time, but I've never had a chance to, or I never really initiate and purchase it, but this time I've got it. So there you go. I think I would love this better than the pink one. So I get rid of the pink, and then I'm keeping that one. So the second one is this lotion right here. I've smelled this earlier, and it's like it reminds me of like Avon scented lotions. There you go. So this is the container of the lotion, and it's a scented lotion. There you go. It's 200 mils, so it's quite big, and it's plastic, so it's light, even though it's big but light. So you can still travel with this. So these are the things I got from Chanel. The second one is this bag right here. So I've purchased this in store. I went to the store, but they don't have the stocks, you know. So they have to order it to me. They have to order it for me through online and have it shipped at my place. But when I receive the package, it doesn't have any paper bag. So this paper bag is from my previous purchase. I believe it could be the shoes or the belt. And this is the package right here. So it came in with these white box, and it's like a keyboard. Oops. And there you go. I got the orange box, but like I've said, they didn't include the paper bag. So most high-end brands, they put paper bag, but not this one right here. I'm not sure if it's just me, or it looks like I lost my nail. So I'm not sure if it's just my package or they do this when it comes to this purchase. But let me show you what I got. So I got myself a scarf because this, like I've said, it's very random, but I feel like I want to get scarf, and I was browsing. Is it really random? Like, I was just wearing my LV scarf, and it looks really pretty from afar, like when I was in the mall, and I've decided to add more in my collection. So that's why I suddenly like bought purchased this. This is in the men's section scarf. So this is, yeah, this is men's scarf, but I believe it's unisex and I like the design. I've never liked any design from the women's section, so that's why. And then I went to the store and like I've said, unfortunately they don't have it. But I've asked them, could you please show me some scarf that is identical when it comes to the length and material. So they showed it to me and I did like it, so that's why I let them purchase it for me and have it shipped here. And yeah, it's really simple. You will not even know that it's Hermes unless you look closely, because on the bottom edge there's an embroidered brand name. There you go, Hermes. And then also on the other side too, whoop, my stomach, you'll see there the Hermes logo. And I really like it. It's just, it's really I don't know, is it classic? But it's just pretty. Like, it's a pretty scarf. It is a made in Great Britain, 100% cashmere. Okay, this is what I got from there. This is 390, and if you think about it, it's Hermes and they're still selling a scarf that's only 390, so you would really like consider buying it. I was checking in a pre-love market, and the pre-love market's prices are like almost the same, like 350 to 400. It's like, well, so you might as well go straight to buying a brand new and get it from Hermes, because it's just, you know, there's not really a big difference. Sorry, my my stomach is showing, but that's that's the scarf there. Now I can use this scarf because I really need scarf when I go to work because it's cold sometimes and I like wrapping my neck like that, choking myself, choking. It's really pretty. I like it. And yeah, I've never seen person to reviewing this like specific scarf, because probably it's phased out already. You can still buy it, but they are not in on display anymore. They're only available online. So that's it, guys. Not a lot, but I'm happy with this purchase. I might review this separately, but let me think about it. Then I think that's it. I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, don't forget to click the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe. I also have Instagram, so I will put it on the description box. See you on my next post, guys. Bye.